Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna discuss how to find the month names dynamically in the chart. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you will get more understanding on Power BI and SSIS, SQL Server development as well as SQL Server performance training. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported to design this report and all. So category, customer, date, geography, internet sales, product, sales territory, subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we will try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding the relationship, it's very important in Power BI. We'll try to see that is also. Just click on model, collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. Now we can see that already I have enabled the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. For example, if I place the mouse over here, we can see that based on this key column, I have enabled the relationship between the product table and internet sales. Even you can understand what kind of direction it is. It's like a one direction to many direction. It means that filter propagation flowing from the dimension table to the fact table. So likewise, I have enabled the relationship to other tables also. We'll try to speak more on upcoming sessions. For time, we'll try to understand today's report design only. Just click on report. Now we can see that this is on chart, this is the slicer. So here the requirement is, it's very simple only, this report design and all. So here the requirement is, so if I didn't select any of the slicer in the month names, I need to show the region sales for all months. Okay, if I did not select any of the slicer value in the month name, I need to display the title as region sales for all months. For example, if I select any one of the month, so now it is filtering based on April month for all the regions. Then region sales for the selected month is April. Okay, you can select any month, it's dynamically it gives the title. Region sales for the selected month is August, something like that. Okay, whatever the value you have selected, we are capturing here. For example, if I select more than one value, see, now you can see the region sale for months March, June, October. So I am displaying in 1 to 12, okay, in ascending order. Now you can see that March, June, October. You can select February also if you want. See, February, March, June. So whatever the month we have selected, so we are just capturing here and displaying the title, so that easily we can understand. Okay, we are displaying the region sales for the selected months are February, March, June, October, like that. So I have written this expression to get the title dynamically. In case if I didn't select, show this title as the regions for all months, but when I select one month, so only it displaying the selected month. If I select more than one month, we are just capturing all the month in ascending order. So like that I have designed the report and all. So remaining, so as usual, there's no nothing logic hidden in it. So I'll try to show what kind of expression I have written to get this value and all. So first one is total sales. So try to zoom it. So for getting the total sales, I have used the calculate sum x function to get the total sales. And so for getting the dynamic value, so I have used this expression. So I have used the is filter function and just written some kind of concatenate x and all. So it's very simple. Even I have explained many times same kind of logic. So if possible, try to watch. I have explained different scenarios by using concatenate x function, how to capture ascending order, descending order in the card visual, so that we can understand what kind of selection we are doing from the slicer. So I have explained already. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Stay tuned for our videos. Thanks so much for watching.